I've been looking forward to it. How you doing today? Huh? You already know on the porch smoking good, huh? Okay, how long is it going to be open for? All day? To what time? Alright, so I'm going to leave and I'm going to go get it and bring it back to you.
In that little top shop, posted in front of the tribe, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map, when I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my Glock. You wanna play it, then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down. Walk down on them in Balenciaga Ronalds. My blood slime a nigga out just like an anaconda. You go against me, then you fuck just like a used condom. I roll them up and then I smoke them like some good.
We are one day before the Rick Ross Car Show, the 3rd annual event. It's going to be the biggest. You want to make sure that you tune in to sckmediatv.com for the pay-per-view. You don't want to miss out. We're one day before. At the Promised Land. You don't want to miss out. It's your girl, Misty Blanco.
I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down.
Listen, we out here exclusively for the Rick Ross Car Show. You can only get this on SCK Media. We are by the Superman film. And we outside. Tune in right now.